Welcome to Lumora Englanix.
Today, we're diving into a supernatural daily conversation practice. Imagine two close friends, Sarah and Mike, catching up over coffee. This is all in natural American English, relaxed, with contractions, slang, and real-life flow. Listen carefully, repeat after each line if you can, and try to understand the context. Let's jump right in. Sarah: Hey Mike, long time no see. How've you been? Mike: Sarah: Oh man, I've been good, thanks. Super busy with work, though. What about you? Still crushing it at your job? Sarah: Yeah, pretty much. I'm loving the new project I'm on. It's challenging, but in a good way. Keeps me on my toes. What kind of stuff has been keeping you busy? Mike: Mostly deadlines. My boss piled on a ton of reports last week. I was pulling late nights just to get them done. But hey, it's over now. Finally got some free time this weekend. Sarah: That's awesome. What are you planning to do with it? Any fun plans? Mike: Nothing crazy. Probably just chill at home, catch up on some shows I've been meaning to watch. Maybe hit the gym. I've been slacking off lately. You know how it is. What about you? Got any weekend adventures lined up? Sarah: Actually, yes. I'm thinking of going hiking with a couple of friends. There's this trail near the lake that's supposed to be beautiful this time of year. The weather's perfect for it. Mike: Sounds amazing. I love hiking. Which trail? The one up by Willow Creek? Sarah: Exactly that one. Have you been there before? Mike: Yeah, a few times. Last summer, actually. The views from the top are insane. Just watch out for those steep parts near the end, they can be tricky if it's muddy. Sarah: Good tip, thanks. I'll make sure to wear my good hiking boots. Oh, speaking of outdoors, have you tried that new coffee shop downtown? The one with the outdoor seating? Mike: The Brew Haven. Yeah, I went last week. Their lattes are to die for. And the pastries, don't get me started. I had this croissant that was flaky and buttery, just perfect. Sarah: Go, you're making me hungry. We should go there together sometime. Grab coffee and catch up properly. Mike: Totally down. How about next Saturday? I'm free in the morning. Sarah: Perfect. Let's say 10 a.m. That way we can beat the crowd. Mike: 10 works for me. Cool, it's a date. I mean, a friend date. Haha. Sarah: Haha, yeah, friend date it is. So, tell me more about your shows. What have you been watching? Anything good? Mike: I've been binge watching this new sci-fi series on Netflix. It's called Starbound. The plot twists are wild. I didn't see the last episode coming at all. Sarah: Ooh, I love sci-fi. Is it like Stranger Things, or more space adventure? Mike: More space adventure, with aliens and time travel stuff. But the characters are really well developed. You feel for them, you know. Sarah: Nice. I'll add it to my list. I've been rewatching The Office for comfort. It's hilarious every time. Michael Scott cracks me up. Mike: Classic. That's what she said. Never gets old. Sarah: Right, so relatable, even in real life sometimes. Hey, changing gears, have you heard from Jenna lately? She moved to the city, right? Mike: Yeah, she did. We texted last month. She's loving it there. Got a promotion already. Said the city's energy is addictive, but she misses our quiet neighborhood. Sarah: That's great for her. We should plan a group hangout soon. Maybe a dinner or something. Mike: I'm in. It's been forever since we all got together. Life gets so hectic. Sarah, tell me about it. Between work and errands, I barely have time to cook proper meals. I've been living on takeout. Mike, same here. Last night I ordered pizza again. Third time this week. I need to get better at meal prepping. Sarah, haha, guilty. Maybe we can share recipes sometime. I make a mean pasta salad that's quick and healthy. Mike, deal. Send me the recipe. I'm all about easy meals these days. Sarah, will do. Oh, look at the time. I have to run to my next meeting soon. Mike, no worries. This was fun catching up. Let's not wait so long next time. Sarah, absolutely. Talk soon, and see you Saturday for coffee. Mike, can't wait. Take care, Sarah. Sarah, you too, Mike. Bye.